Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to create a wave ceiling in Adonai. First, go to the Material and Component section and double click on it to start designing in 2D mode. Now select the Add Guides option and draw a guide with a measurement of 300 millimeters. Once that's set, draw a rectangle as the base shape. Next, take the arc tool and draw an arc with a chord length of 1200 millimeters and an arc height of 300 millimeters. To create a continuous wave effect, repeat the same process but reverse the arc direction. Hold the Shift key, select the arcs and duplicate them to the other side. Keep repeating this process until you extend the wave pattern across the entire ceiling. Once done, clean up the design by deleting any extra parts. Just click on the surface to remove unwanted sections. Now switch to 3D mode, select the push tool and apply the required extrusion to bring the wave ceiling to life. If you want to enhance the look, you can apply materials using the material option available on the left side of the interface. And that's it, your wave ceiling is now ready.